In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a search bar in Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up your Power BI report. Now we need to add a slicer. So go to the visualization pane on the right here and then select slicer. Now, there are 3 different slicers here, so you want to choose the input slicer. So choose that, and then a little slicer should appear inside your report. Then basically add the field you want to search. So we can drag a field such as the month, or if you got like product names, customer names, employees, you can go ahead and add that into. So I'm just going to drag the month into here. Then from here, click on the 3 dots of the top right hand corner of the slicer. And then we want to go ahead and choose Spotlight. And then we want to go ahead and enter the month. So I'm going to say March. And now it's going to search inside of here. You can see March has been selected. Now we can make this look a bit more fancier, this slicer. Now to do this, come over to the visualization plane, make sure the slicer is selected, choose format your visual. Then we've got some options here, so we can we can change make it bold, we can change the color of the slicer, the transparency. We've got the shape, the layout, the padding, background, border. If you want to add a border, you can. We can enable that. Now I might make this a little bit bigger. So you can see here, that's changing that. So you can muck around with that to make that look a bit more appealing in your reports.